In the darkest hours, faith becomes our compass, and miracles, our light. John Kulhan fought for freedom on the battlefield, only to face a fiercer war at home. Betrayed by his country, hunted by the communists, his family's survival hung by a thread. They took everything, but they couldn't take his hope. But heaven had a plan. A miracle forged in sacrifice, a saint's canonization, saved by their courage. One family, one impossible mission, to prove the unprovable. Divine mercy intervened, and the world would never be the same. Their story was almost lost to history, until now. Triumph through trial, the untold story behind the canonization of Sister Maria Faustina Kowalska, available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and other leading digital bookstores worldwide.